Hello, let's do a very quick Ubuntu install. Wait for the disk check to complete. Once it finishes, it loads the installer. So click on Install Ubuntu. Select your keyboard. Click Continue. I'm choosing minimal installation here. If you want, you can choose normal. Select this one. Third-party software for like proprietary NVIDIA drivers and all if you want. Click on Continue. I'm going to erase and do a install. If you want, you can customize by clicking something else and click install now. Click on continue. Select your time zone. Click on continue. Set your username. If you want, you can customize your host name, that is your computer's name. Then you can use your password. If you don't use a proper strong password, it will tell you. And wait for the installer to finish. Once it finishes, it will reboot your system. It will ask for your reboot. Once you click, it reboots your system. Remove the installation media. That's it.